So friends, here I'm gonna show you a recipe that is recommended for me by my friend, that is coleslaw. So let's get started on to the recipe quickly. Now to get started, I've got 2 cups shredded cabbage, and then 1 cup shredded carrot, 1 tablespoon black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon white sugar, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, and then here I've got 1.5 teaspoon vinegar. You can use any vinegar. And then here I've got 1 cup mayonnaise, that's salt for preparing this coleslaw. So let's get started. Okay, so in a separate bowl I will take the cabbage, the carrots, and then mix together. So after mixing well, I'll keep this aside, and now I'm gonna take sugar, black pepper, lemon, vinegar, and give this a good stir, and then pinch of salt. So salt you will have to adjust as required, and then I will add the mayonnaise. Combine all the ingredients well. Now after mixing the ingredients well, let's pour in the sauce. Okay, so now give this a quick mix and we are done with our salad, that is coleslaw. So okay friends, the coleslaw salad is now ready, and we can have it anytime, and you can store it in the refrigerator for days, but it's always good to have it fresh, and because it stays crunchy. And so enjoy. And so this video was recommended by Rahina. Thanks for watching and for supporting my channel, Mama's Kitchen. Have a great day.